What was that?
She.
That's nice. Okay. We're in the swing. Out back here. In the yard of the greenhouse. What do you want to do? She wants to swing. How do you want to swing?
High.
Alright. Ready?
On the moon.
Set.
Go.
Woof! Here we go. Now don't get daddy! Ah! Oh no. Oh no! Ah! Alright, more. Yeah! Go! Ooh. What's dirty? The ground? Yeah, that's from your party. We better clean that up. Here, will you hold this? Oops. Alright, big job. Hold it with 2 hands. Right there. Alright, ready? Go.